Last class, we have discussed how to work with the concept like multiple TypeScript files, how to execute that multiple TypeScript files. That concept we have discussed. My requirement is all TypeScript files I want to execute at a time. All TypeScript files to execute at a time. So how can we work with this concept that we are discussing now? Understand? Fine. Now come to this concept. So yesterday we created folder with name TypeScript. So here we have many TypeScript files. Now, I want to compile all the TypeScript files in a single shot. So open the command prompt. PSC. Just simple command. Actually, this command will compile all TypeScript files which are available in the current location. But these are not compiled, right? These are not compiled. Because there must be a file should locate in this location, that is tsconfig.json. That file must be available here. The tsconfig.json file. Now I'm using this file. Open edit plus. Now here. Just save this file with the name, that location or that type. tsconfig.json. So this tsconfig.json we are using for two reasons. One is to compile multiple TypeScript files to current location. That's the first one. Second one is we are also using to provide some configuration settings of TypeScript. Provide some configuration settings of TypeScript. That is the main concept. Yes. Now, if you observe here, right now I'm working with compile multiple TypeScript files. I'm not providing any configuration settings. Later, we will provide the configuration settings. Now you can see. So this file is available, this location. Observe this. So it is empty file. That is not issue because here for compilation we are using now. Okay, not any other reason. That's why that file can be empty. So tsc command out. Now if you observe here, all JavaScript files will create. So the JavaScript files are created. Got it. So that is the main. That's the main purpose of tsconfig.json. It is clear? Yes. Any questions, any doubts you have, you can ask. In this concept, you have any queries, you can ask.
So by directly creating this tsconfig.json file, it will automatically create a JSON file in the current folder.
So you should save with the extension
a
.json. So
JSON file, then that automatically will create the
it creates the
JSON.
JSON file.
That's it, right?
Yes. That extension, if you provide .json, that is okay. Next, any more doubts? Fine. Now we are discussing something about array concepts. So in TypeScript, tuple concept is there. So let me open this one. Yeah. That yesterday we created one program. That program, let me open. That PRO dot, sorry, first dot PS. Now, where? So tuple is one concept. What the meaning of this tuple? Tuple we are using to store array with heterogeneity. First of all, so let me cover that concept, array concept. 1 second. Array is very important. Tell me, what is array? According to your knowledge, what is array?
Stores address
So,
value of another object.
what is array?
Array is a collection of items.
Collection of elements. Yes. Array is collection of elements. Yes, array is the collection of elements. Each element is combination of index and yes. So array is the collection of elements. Each element is combination of index and value. Okay. Yes. Here array is homogeneous elements or heterogeneous elements. Is it collection of homogeneous elements or heterogeneous? So according to some technologies homogeneous, some technologies heterogeneous. But here in this TypeScript, we can store homogeneous or heterogeneous, anything. Homogeneous means same type, heterogeneous means different type. Okay, yes. So here any data type is there, right? If you create array with any data type, then we can store heterogeneous values. That is the main. Got it? Now, each element is combination index and value. Now here, first element index is 0 and last element index is total elements minus 1. That is common. Okay, first element index starts with 0 and last element index total elements minus 1. Okay, fine. Now here, if you take array, what is the difference between normal variable and array variable? Why we are using arrays? Yeah. Arrays we are using to store multiple values in a single memory location. That is the main purpose of this array. Is it clear? Yes. The main purpose is to store multiple elements in a single memory location. Array we can use to store multiple values in single memory. So now how to create this array we are discussing. IST, where name can be anything. I'm using ARR colon number is 0. So if I create a variable like this, that is normal variable, it is not array. If you use offset this bracket, then it is array variable. Then here I am using 10, 20, 30, 40. The collection of values I have given. Now let I'm printing that array. All elements I'm printing here. So we need to compile this program. We are compiling this program now. After compilation, it generates JS file. Yes. So after compilation, JavaScript file will be generated. So that file we are including in already we included HTML program. Now open the command prompt. TSC. First hyphen double, yeah. Hyphen WR hyphen double. Anything we can use watch. Now double click on this. We got this out 10, 20, 30. Like that, we'll get this. Yes, we got 10, 20, 40. Okay, fine. Now the next thing is I want to use yes. Alert error of 0. What is the error of 0? Printing the first element. Refresh, we're getting 10. Is clear? Yes. This is the way how to create array in TypeScript. My question, can I provide here comment Scott? It is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid because I have given number type. Okay. Yes. In case if I use any, then we can store any type of value. Is it clear? In case if I give any, we can store any type of value. So now you can see that compiler gives error message like this. What I am doing here, just I'm using any. Now you won't get any error. So this concept we are calling as tuple. Tuple means array with heterogeneous collections. Okay, how it is possible? By providing any data type. So just I'm using that. Tuple. What is tuple? Array with any types. Yes, array with any types. Under. That is the point. Okay, example is the example. Okay, fine. Now array is providing many properties and methods. We are discussing about this concept. Okay, yes. Now first of all here, length. using this property, we can get total number of array elements. What is this property we have? Length is the property. The main purpose is total number of array elements we can get. Now, here, ARR dot length. Total how many elements we have? 5, right? So if I refresh this browser, you're getting 5 elements. Like that, this is about length. Next, push. Using this property, we can add an element at the end of that and returns total number of elements. Yes, understand this. So what push is doing? Adding an element at the end of array and it returns total number of elements. Okay. Now, see this. Let me delete this cart. Okay. Yeah, I can use that, but one format is there. 1020 easily can understand. ARR dot push. Now, when RV colon number is equal. See, I assigned this push method with variable RV. Yes, I assigned with variable RV. What is RV now? What is this RV? Tell me what is this RV? What is the value of
30, 40, 50.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Read this and tell me. Read this properly and tell me. Yes. What it returns? Total number of elements. Means RV is nothing but 5. So already 4 elements are available here. So we added one more element. So total 5 elements we have. So we are getting that 5. In case if I give alert ARR, now your output is correct. Then nothing but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if I refresh it, so 5 after that we have 10, 30, 40, 50. So this is about push method. Is this clear? Yes. Yeah. Next. Wow. Actually, these are the methods, right? Using this method, we can remove last element of array and returns value of that element. What is pop? But the main purpose of pop removes the last element of array and returns value of the element. Now ARR dot pop I have given. What is RV?
10, 20, 30.
Yes, read and tell me properly what
5.
is it?
5.
It removes the last element and it holds the return value. Okay, so if you assign any function with a variable, that variable holds return value. Remember this point. Okay, so now what pop returns? The element
40.
which is deleted, that value.
40.
Yeah, 40. After that, alert ARR. Okay. This is nothing but now. Refresh it. We have 40. After that, 10, 20, 30 remaining elements. Okay. This is about pop. Copy this and paste here. Shift. Remove the first element. Returns value of that element. What is this shift? What shift will be? You remove the first element and returns value of the element. That is the main function of the shift. Okay. Now we are working with this shift. Fine. So ARR dot shift I have given. Got it. RV equal number is your ARR dot shift. Then what is the value of RV?
10.
10. And alert ARR we have. So what are the remaining elements? 20,
30, 40.
30, 40. Okay. Now refresh it. Then remaining elements 20, 30, 40. Okay. Fine. Copy this. Paste here. Next. Unshift. This function. Function removes the adds an element. Beginning of array and returns total number of this is unshift. So what is the purpose of this unshift? Adds an element where at the beginning of array and returns total number of elements. It returns what? Total number of elements. That is the concept. Now here, just I'm using unshift. 2 I have given. Means it is adding 2. Okay. It is adding 2. And what is RV? What is RV? 5. Okay, because already 4 elements are there, adding to 5. And alert ARR I have given. Then 2, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that is the output. Which total elements are 5. And after that 2, 10, 20, 30. Yes. Copy and paste. Yes. I think this is clear, right? Yeah. Next. Slice. Using this function, we can get part of array. Yeah, you want to get some part of array, then we are using slice. Yes. What is this function? Slice. What is the main purpose of this? Yes, we are using to get some part of array. Now, ARR dot slice. So, for example, this array contains 50, 60, 70, 80. Then 3, or 2, 5. Given 2, means from index number 2. Total how many elements we are getting? 5 minus 2. 3 elements. Means output is, so this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. From here, 3 elements, 30, 40, 50. Now, RV is not a single value. RV is not a single value this time. RV is array. That's why we should give any. It is better to give any. Or number of that square brackets you should give. Okay. Yes. Now, see, RV output, if you observe, we are getting 30, 40, 50. And this array normal. Okay, no changes in this array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Only we are getting these 3 elements into variable RV. This is slice function. Got it? Yes. Now answer this 1, 5. What is the output? Tell me.
20, 30, 40, 50.
Yeah. 4, 5. 15, huh?
50.
Yeah, why that much time taking 50? Okay. 4, 4.
That is
4, 4. Come on, fast.
0.
Hmm?
50.
50, yeah. 4 minus 4, what is the value?
0.
Yeah, nothing. Nothing it is. Original array is this one. Okay. 4, 3.
I think it is exception because minus.
Huh?
4 minus 3, 1.
4 minus 3, 1. So is it 4 minus 3 or 3 minus 4?
3
This way
minus.
perform the operation.
We'll get an error.
Now here it not displays error, but that is true. You can now refresh. Nothing is the output we are getting. Okay. Yes. All right. Any error it displays in console, let me check. Okay, because it is not any mistake, logical mistake. That's why no error. Yeah, no error it displays, but we don't get any output. That's all. Yes. Yeah. So where we can see the output error messages, right click and go to that console. There we can see the error messages. Okay. Yes. So anyhow, second argument should always greater than first argument. Yes. This is slice. Next one. Slice. Using this function, we can add or remove the elements in array. Yes. What is this function? Splice function. What is the purpose of this? To add or remove the elements in array. Now ARR dot splice I have given. Okay, 4, 1. Now it won't actually here it returns deleted values. Understand? It returns what? The deleted values. Now ARR dot splice 4, 1 I have given. Yes. Yeah. Means from index number 4, we are deleting one element. So what is the index number 4? This is 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. One element if you delete, that 50 is deleted. Then what are the remaining elements we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80. That one is storing in variable. I mean, that deleted element is storing in variable RV. Now, what is RV? RV is nothing but the deleted element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 50. If I refresh, RV is 50. And in this array, one element is missing or not? Yes, 50 is missing or not? If you observe, pop and shift. These are deleting end of the array and beginning of the array. But middle I want to delete. Then we are using this. For example, 2 I have given 4, 2. Then what is RV? How many elements it will delete? 2 elements. RV is 40 and 50. Okay, and ARR is 10, 20, 30, 60, 70, 80. Refresh. So sorry, 50 and 60. RV is 50 and 60. And ARR is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 deleted, 70, 80. In case if I give 3, 2, then 0, 1, 2, 3, it will delete 40, 50 here. Yes, and remaining elements are 10, 20, 30, 60, 70, 80. Here 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, this is about splice. Is clear? Now we want to add any other elements, then comma, 111 I have given. Means in the deleted position, we are adding 111. Now if you observe this, yes, here it is added 111 in that location. One more element you want to add, comma, refresh it. So it is added. Like that, we can add the elements and delete the elements. So that is the concept. Yes. Any doubts in this? Any queries?
Sir, it's like a replacing, right? Slice.
No, it is deleting and adding. Means that position, if you add, then it's replacing. Means if you pass new values, then it is replacing. If you don't pass new value, then only simple delete.
Okay.
Replace function is there?
No, that is different. Okay. Yeah, it is there different. That is different concept. Okay. So this splice is delete. It is to perform the delete function. Now, what it runs a loop to the elements of array and returns index number of elements. Runs a loop through the elements of array, return the index number of elements. Now, for when x in ARR, what is x now? Let x argument. Save this and refresh it. We're getting index number 0, 1, 2 is there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. In case if I give ARR of x, yes, I've given that ARR of x. Now in this, refresh 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8. This is for in. For off. Same as for in, but returns values of x. What is this for off? Yes. What is this for off? Same as for in, but returns what? Values of x. In that point of where is for off. Yes. Now, see, I'm using where x of AR, I given line, where x of AR. Now, I refresh it. I let simple x is enough because you will get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all values into variable x. Refresh 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80. This is about per off. Okay. Next. For each runs a loop through the elements of and executes callback function for every executes a function. Simply we can use executes a function. The callback, what is callback? I'll discuss later. Okay. So this is for each runs a loop to the elements of array and executes a function for every element. Yes. Now see this ARR dot for each. So there one function we need to declare. Yes. In this function x comma y I have. At this for each runs how many times? How many elements we have? The total number of elements, how many we have? That number of times. For example, 4 elements we have. 4 times it will run. So what is x? X is 10. And what is y? Y is 0. Second time, okay, x is 20, y is 1. Third time, x is 30, y is 2. Next time, 40 and 3. Like that 4 times, this is iterated here. Okay. Now I am using let x statement and let y. Now save this and refresh it. So 10, 0, 21, 32, 40. This is about for each. Okay. Copy this. Is clear? So any questions you have?
So we can say y is index, right?
Y is index.
Yeah.
Yes. Y is index. For you, let's bring in console. Console.log x comma y I have. Now refresh. Now you can see 10, 0. 10 is value. Okay. 0 is index 21, 32, 43. Total how many times this loop executed? 4 times.
Okay.
Okay. That is about. Okay. Just this example I will copy. In console, you can see the clear map. So in some functions, I'm not using these brackets. You can use, okay, because function contains the parenthesis. No? Same as for each, but returns and based on okay, logic of function. So same as for each, but the difference between for each and map. So for each don't return any value, map returns a value. That is the main difference. Is it clear? Total number of return values are same as total number of array. Okay. Total number of return values are same as total number of array elements. That is the concept of this. Okay. This is our map. Now I am using this concept. Just let me apply this. Yeah, this is for each instead of that map I have given, and just return x plus y I have. So what is x first time? What is x 10? Y is, what is y? 0, right? Second time, what is x? 20. Y is 1. That information is available variable and ARR for that. New array is available. Okay. Finally, I'm using let new array. Yeah. So some of these values I'm keeping. So if you observe this, a refresh it. So 10, 10 plus 0, 10, and 20 plus 1, 21, 30 plus 2, 32, 40 plus 3, 43. Like the variant. This clear? This is about sorry, map. In case if I give for each, will it return the values? No, it will not return any values. Different. Only map return the values. Is this clear? Copy this and paste here. Yes. See, for example, inside I have one array 20, 21. Then if I refresh this, what is the output we got? We got this output. Second element as one array. Yes, sir. First element is 10. Second element is, it is one more array. Because this main array contains the nested array. So ARR contains second element 2021. Its index is 1. So that second element is displayed like this. Now my requirement is I want to separate that second element into individual values. You understand? Means 10, after that 20, after that 21, after that 30, like that. I want to separate. In that point of we are using flat map. What is that? Flat map. Now refresh this. So just map is there. Flat map I have given. Okay. So temporarily let me comment this. So X I'm printing only X. So we got this out. Yeah, array 2021 we got. Even map also same out. Huh? No, it should change. So any error is there? This map and this is flat map.
I think function
Huh?
brackets.
Nothing is there, just yeah, 1 second. Let me open that first. It is ECMAScript. We got this output ARR dot flat map function x comma y. Yeah, it is when the flat. Then y displays 2020. Both returns the same. Actually, flat map that is error. Same result.
Sir, that flat f is small.
After the function x comma y, there should be a closing bracket, I guess.
After the
F-
function,
f is small and m is capital, and function only accepts one parameter x.
So-
X only. Okay, arrow function.
arrow function I'm trying.
No, x only.
Okay.
Y will be
So let
x plus
me
y.
comment. Yeah. So let me comment this. So same out. Not display like. So 10, 20, 21, 30, 40 are given. Okay, and then it will separate actually. So okay, I will check and let you know. Actually, this is the program. So return type I will remove once. We are getting the same. So we are getting same output for both map and flat map. Yeah, but flat map will separate these elements again 20, 21 and gives a separate other element. Okay, so I'll check and let you know. Okay, this is map. Next one here, filter function we discuss. Okay, what is that? Filter runs a loop through the elements of and returns truth values. So here, see this ARR dot. Actually, arrow function I'm not using because I did not discuss that. So I will discuss later. Then I will use that arrow function till the normal functional I'm using. Now, this is map where n ARR colon any is equal to given, and final I'm printing that. So simply we'll get, just let me give 20, 30, 40. So if you observe this, we are getting what is that function I have given? ARR dot map. Yes. So that is stored in variable n ARR colon any type I have given. CTI. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40. The output we got. So return statement not given. That's why new error not getting anything. Return X I have given. Then new error is getting that value. So now if I refresh, we are getting the 10, 30. Now my requirement is I want to return. So the values which are greater than 20. So in case if I give greater than 20, sorry, not here. If I give X greater than 20. So tell me what is the output you're expecting now? I have given map function, not filter it. I have given map function. So what is the output you are expecting?
Boolean array.
Boolean values. Okay, so here thing is Okay, total number of written values of map equal to total number of elements. So now first time 10 greater than 20, true or false? 10 greater than 20, is it true or false? Yes, it is false. And 20 greater than 20, that is also false. 30 greater than 20, true. 40 greater than 20, true. Means false, false, true, true. That is the output which we are getting here. In case if I give filter, then only truth values it returns. Now output is 30, 40. Yes, that is about filter function. Yes. Next one, reduce is one function we need to discuss. Like that, we have few more functions. So these are some functions which we have. Okay, few more functions we need to discuss. Those functions discuss in next class. First, I will copy in chat window. Yes, you got the message. Just copy this message. And remaining functions I will discuss in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow also same time. Okay. Yes. So see you in next class. Any queries?
Sir, shall I use same link to join the
Yeah,
lecture
tomorrow same. Tomorrow, na. I don't know if the link is changed, then you will come to know. Okay. So definitely they will inform you.
Okay, sir. And batch was going to merge with 7:30 p.m. batch. So
Yeah, I will
yesterday
let
it was-
you know. I will let you know.
And the materials, sir, the lectures, old lectures.
Yeah, that once the link is changed, okay, when it changed, then I will give you that Google Drive access to your mail IDs. Okay. So till then I'm using this chat, no, through chat I'm giving that lecture notes. Okay. So video sessions are available in the Durga Soft YouTube channel. So till demo classes. After that, remaining videos, access, everything I will provide through Google Drive. Okay. Yes.
So up to today, this demo class is complete, I think.
Yes, mostly. Okay. So even I am not sure in that point of view, but mostly demo is completed today. So if link is changed tomorrow, if it is changed, then we will confirm it. If link is not changed, same link. Okay.
Okay. So those persons are paid. Will continue up
We'll
to
continue.
whatever.
They will
on the
get
same
the
link.
yes. They'll get the new link. Okay. Yes. So see you in tomorrow class. You can leave. Thank you.